Hello, this is Silent Man in Lapland. Walk 6. Today I don't have my little buddy, I have my Malaysian buddy.
Cousin. This is my cousin.
Let's go. Today we're gonna have some reindeer steak. Yum yum yum. Today we are walking to the camp. It's like 2 kilometers in the wilderness. We're gonna cook some reindeer meat. It's like -10. Almost clear sky. Let's hope it's getting more clear. Beautiful, beautiful trees. Oh, look it. Yeah. So beautiful. Yeah, now we don't have the little buddy because it's a bit longer and colder, so we're just 2 of us. Look at these trees. So beautiful. We are soon at the camp, over the halfway now. Very nice weather, only -10. So yeah, we made it to the camp. You okay?
Preparing for the wood.
Yeah, soon we're gonna have some reindeer meat, the steak. Very nice. Yeah, let's make some wood, firewood, small pieces. Yeah, if we get nice piece, it's Make few of them. So we can make nice fire. So yeah, we're getting nice small pieces. Yeah, I think that's enough. Yeah, let's make some tea again. Let's use the snow. Fresh snow for this. Yeah, this have to be tight. When it melts, there's not much. Let's get some more. Fresh snow there, yeah. Tight. Oh, somebody broke this with too much heat. No problem, we just use the corners of it. We can do it. We can do it without it. Ah, look it. Nice. Can just put it like here. Take some more. Yeah, the reindeer is getting ready. Nice. The tea water was melting. Yeah, I can't wait to taste it. Oh yeah. We have such a nice, beautiful camp. I took some little candles. Yeah, it's very nice and quiet. Yeah, beautiful. It's so dark that you can't see without light anything. Just love it. Yeah, let's put the lights out. You can see it's very dark. You can't see anything without. Yeah. Yeah, it's just so beautiful camp we have. Beautiful. Oh yeah, you can hear the boiling water from the snow. You can't see anything without the light. Let's put some. Yeah, we're still here. Takes time. Look it. Oh, nice. Boiling snow. It's very nice. Having some nice chai tea. Indian nice chai tea. Look the meat, yeah. So nice. Oh, gonna make some spices. We only use salt because that's it. You don't need anything else. Just salt. Look it. It's like marble. Oh, beautiful. Yeah. Really beautiful. Can't wait to taste it. Oh, tendering meat. Wow. The smell is amazing. Let's put some salt. Let's put some salt. That's all we need. Just the reindeer meat taste. It's beautiful. It's dark. Having some stars, but not that clear sky that my camera will get a... Yeah, there's nothing yet. But I think when the aurora comes, it will be shown on my camera. Let's taste. Wow. The nice Indian chai tea. Yeah, we put the reindeer in foil, and soon I will have a bon appetit. Yeah, before I eat, let's check the camp. There's like some shelter you can use if you get cold. Let's see who we have here. Yeah, getting warm. Just little nice cottage. You can eat your snacks.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what we have here. So we have something nice meat, yeah. Wow. Let's taste. Oh yeah. Look at. Yeah, chunk of meat. Mmm. 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 Really nice. It's my first time when I do reindeer in open fire. Maybe some more salt. Look how beautiful. Filet. Mmm. Amazing. Yeah. The meat is so soft. Yeah. Well, I think I start eating this now, and we see you soon. No. Thank you. Yeah. inside the cabin. No sound. Yeah, now the tummy is full. Let's say goodbye to the cottage. Leaving. See the camp last time. There's the toilets. Old toilets closed. There's some new ones. This is the camp. Fire. Served well. It's really peaceful outside here. But yeah, thank you for watching again. If you liked, you like and sub. I appreciate it. Thank you a lot. If you support me, let's see you soon on the another journey in Lapland. Thanks for the Malaysian guy. Thank you for company.
I will be with you.
Yeah, it's not long. 1.5. There's a lake where you can fish. It's frozen. Let's head back. Back at the car.